Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back again guys with another reaction video to the group SB19, and this is part 4 to making the fame of the T.O.F.T music video. So I'm curious to see what these guys will be giving me. I'm so excited. Yes, give it to me. I really do enjoy this era. I love this era. I like it. I like the creative direction that this group is going, which behind the scene you can see the artistic value of what they bring to their craft and work and album this era, which is very good for an artist or a group in general. Now we get to see who they are, what they can do. Wow.
Yung makita ng tao na yung farmer as mababang uri ng tao, parang ganun. Ayoko yung ipakita. Kaya ginawa kong parang parang enchanted, magical yung scene. Parang ganun. Gusto kong makakita ng ganun. Tapos, basically, ayun, medyo direct eh. Kasi parang ang idea ko doon, magtatanim ka ng isang model ng kung ano man, pero tutubo ka, parang gano'n. Gano'n yung video. Dami na ako na, di ko ininda, andito na ako sa wakas. Sobrang daming mangyayari sa mga farmer, mga story ng farmer na ginagawa sila.
Okay, we could barely hear him a little bit, so I'm turning it up.
Marami silang, alam mo yun, tinutuloy pa rin nila yung ginagawa nila. Maybe at the end of the day, kahit maraming problema, parang hindi tubo pa rin yung tubo.
So we're not smiling. As a teenager, I carried him with me everywhere I went.
These commercials. Oh, the entrance. Yes, it was so K-pop. I live for that entrance at the Smokes. King of the Nights. Oh, Cal, my baby. Justin Bieber. Yes. Yes. Oh, is that painted tattoos on his neck? How edgy of him.
Unfortunately, sobrang nilagnat ako kasi over fatigue, sobrang nabugbog yung tataw ko siguro sa practice. Kaya sa akin, hindi siguro, syempre, human lang nila. So, hindi siguro kinahin ng katawan. Kaya ayun, sobrang naano yung katawan nyo sa practice. And during the shoot, hindi ako makagalaw ng ayos kasi mabigat ulo ko, nakahilo.
Does he have on braces? He have on braces?
Nawala naman. Yung ibang members talagang binigay nila yung vest, tapos yung mga staff namin para isuot ako. May nurse din naman talaga, nurse din para sa suportahan. Nakita ko yung result na sobrang ganda talaga.
Oh, look at them flexing in the background with their awards and stuff. I see y'all flexing. I should have really stayed and took that job. Ugh, I love production work. So much fun working with these amazing talents. That chain just reminded me of high school. I was so goth. Ooh, skulls, chains, demons, blood. That was me. Come through, camera work. Come through, the camera work.
Sobrang hectic kasi ayun nga, dapat i-shoot namin yung verse ko and then intro we're in.
That's what was like. I remember that part in the music video when he would go up, down. I said, oh, he was not missing not one cue.
Pag you pass through the
Oh, that looks so good.
pitch dark,
I'm hungry now.
So, parang out of nowhere, pag lumabas kami doon, magkakasama kami lima, iba yung dating eh. Tapos may smoke pa. Parang gabang na mapapakanta ka na.
Oh, they all have like braces. What do you call it? Visalign? That's what it's called? Yes.
It was really hard for me to shoot that part kasi nga medyo kailangan i-set up talaga yung laban kung gano'n siya bilis po. Anong stop, anong next point.
Oops.
Like, parang kailangan maging insync kayo, tsaka kailangan mag-compliment kayo to each other, not just, you know.
Wow.
So yun, I tried my best in that part, pero feeling ko hindi pa rin. Pero mukhang okay na naman ha. So yun, the best yun lang.
All these commercials today. What's going on? What's going on with these commercials? No commercials. Yes, Justin. He's so adorable. He's so cute. Yes, come on, craftsmanship.
Kasi natutuyo. So baka hindi siya makita. Tapos natagal din matuyo. I mean, decided to make it. To blow it na lang.
Hindi ba?
Ang ganito siya is parang depende. Ito, patuyo ko na.
Ito matay na ito yung paghangin lang.
This is what people have to do, what artists have to do from the ground up. Oof. I'm surprised they don't have like a shampoo contract or conditioner contract or something because their hair is amazing. Whoever's doing their hair.
Ngayon talaga dapat namin gagawin yung part na para merong magkataan yun kami kasama. Tapos sasayaw kasama namin. Pero unfortunately, meron tayong mga weather problems. Umuulan na matindi, non-stop, which is very unfortunate kasi yung pagsusunod namin lupa so mapuputi siya. So hindi siya unadvisable talaga sa yawan. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin namin. So right now we're trying to figure out what we're going to do. Hinintay namin humupa yung ulan and let's see what's going to happen. So ayun.
Guns with fire, with flag.
That's really wala pang fire. Tapos ready kasi di ba doon yung parang may regalo or something.
Oh, the female director is talking. Okay. Yes. Woman empowered. What if they endorse my Adidas? Because you know Adidas stay are sponsoring people, and I also see Puma too. Yes, product placement. So cute. She's so cute.
So, mahanap tayo other day. Kasi sa ipilit natin
Run the world, girls. Run the world. And it also gave me flashback to Big Bang.
I would say that my singing voice is an expression.
Ikot na lang siguro non-stop na lang. Nag-iikot-ikot na lang. Sasalubungin niyo po kami. Tapos, pagdating kasi siyempre may limit dito, hindi na kayo makakalakad. Pagdating niyo po sa dulo, ikot-ikot na po kayo, lakad-lakad na muli sa dulo. Parang naghahanap ng blocking. Parang ganun yung mangyayari. So, sasalubong kami lang sasalubong. Ikutan tayo talaga.
Yes, take charge, Justin.
Ano lang ito? Dahan-dahan lang yung lakad.
Yes, come on, Sony camera. Hey. Oh, who's that cute in the back? Oh, he's cute. Yes, that's my boy Ken. Yes. I can't with them. I can't.
Grabe yung pagod ng lahat ng members, ng staff, ng production team, ng stylist, lahat ng tao involved sa music video namin. Sobrang laki lahat ng pasalamat namin. Of course, may God.
Yeah, that's gonna end it there. It's coming to an end. So that was part 4 to Making of the Fam, the WAP music video to the group SB19. As you guys can see, the more bits and pieces of production team. It's crazy to me how entwined or in tune they are with one another, with the director, with the hairstylist, with the people, with the productions. I love it. So thanks to the one who recommended or directed this, and also we said over and over, thanks to the ones who brought this group to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.